This is moxa treatment for stomach problem, acid reflux. You have stomach ulcer or acid reflux. You have to cook vegetable and no juice, no cold drink. But this treatment is moxabustion. You light up this moxa stick, then 3 points, left and right. First one is stomach 36 right here. This point right here. Kneecap here, 4 finger. Your 4 finger down. Outside this bone here, right here. No. 4 finger down. 4 finger down right here. Okay? Right here. This point take about, this is like 10 minutes. Until very hot, about 1 centimeter. Very hot, okay? Hot soothing, you feel the chi going down and going up. And very painful, can I handle? Then move. Remove a little bit, then go back. Then remove again, then very hot, go back. Keep doing that. 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Then this point here, P6. This is 5 minutes. Then the other side, 5 minutes. Then 30 minutes already. Only about 1 centimeter, 1 cm, okay, 1 centimeter. Then very hot, I feel the chi so strong. Then we move. Then go back again, very hot and burning, very painful until I cannot handle. Then we move. The next point is called consumption 12. If you turn here, CV17, center of the chest right here, and the belly button and between. But you don't know exactly. You just move up and down a little bit, the whole line. 10, 12, CV10, CV12, CV8, or you can do under below the chest. Go for the whole line. Another 10 minutes. You do 10 minutes. Feels so good. That's for stomach problem, but also for immune system. And if you want to longevity, see just below your belly button. That's CV6. That's for life force. Longevity and make you strong. You're strong like a cow. This is recharge your chi. 丹田 here. Below. Very hot, okay? Until very hot. Then we move a little bit, then go back. Or this even regular maintenance for prevent cold, flu, immune system. You just do around here, okay, up and down. Then stomach 36. Myself, my son, we never have flu vaccine in our life, but we have flu. I'm gonna take 1 hour, 2 hours. My immune fight off. That's called the qi. The qi is strong. The evil qi is a flu or virus, whatever. The zhen qi, take care. Smart qi, take care whatever you need. And also you feel so good every day. Enjoy life. This is simple. Very simple, but not easy to tell people to, not easy to convince people to do simple things. Simple but not easy. But hope you try it. You feel so good.